Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Target because we're about to get into some awesome deals. So this week, y'all know my favorite deal is back. It is Target Circle Week and they have this spend 50, get back $15 in a gift card on household essentials. So we definitely are going to do that and we're going to do it all digital. I have a lot of Target Circle offers that I want to take advantage of today. I also have a spend 100, get back 15. I have a 10% off store wide. I have a 5% for my birthday. Just lots of savings all around at Target. So we're going to make it do what it do. And we're going to do a really big transaction today. So we are over in the smell goods because this is where we're going to get started. We're going to be getting a lot of air fresheners because we have a lot of matching digital coupons that are going to make for a really amazing deal. So the first thing I want to grab is one of these Airwick Essential Mist starter kits. We're going to get one of these for $11.99. I'm going to get the linen and petals up there for $11.99. We have a $6 circle offer on this that'll bring it down to $5.99. Then I'm also going to be getting a Febreze small space. These are $3.99. I'm going to be using the 230 digital coupon. I'm also going to be grabbing one of the car fresheners up here. These are $5.69. We have a $2.30 digital. And then we're going to grab one of the double packs of Febreze plugs for $10.29. We have a $5 digital for this. And we're going to come over here and get one of the double packs of Airwick. These right here, these are $5.99. We have a $3.50 digital. Now I wanted to add the Airwick warmer, the smart warmer. I don't think my store has any left. No, they do not. This would be a really good item to add into this deal because we have a $4 digital coupon. My store does not have any. So I wanted to grab a $5.99 Persil right here and use the $3 digital because it does work on that, making it just $2.99, but they do not have that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to switch my deal up a little bit and I'm going to grab one of these for $14.29, and then we're going to be using the $3 digital coupon on this one. So this is the complete spend 50, get a $15 household deal that I am going to be doing today. Now this deal is a little bit different from the one that I plan to do. So I am going to tell you about that one because it works out to be a little bit cheaper, even though you might prefer this one because I don't mind it because we are getting this large Persil in this deal and I was going to get the small bottle in my other deal. But with this deal, before our coupons are applied, our subtotal is $52.24. So we are clear to get back that $15 gift card. We have a $3 digital for the Persil, a $6 digital for the starter kit, 230 digitals on both Febreze items for the car clip and the small spaces. For the plug, we got the $5 digital, and then for the Airwick double refill, we have a $3.50 digital. After those coupons, you would pay out $30.14 at the register. So you want to roll in any previous gift cards that you have. If you have a $15 gift card already, then you would just pay $15 out of pocket, but just roll in whatever you have. The total would be $30. Then you're going to get back a $15 gift card, making our final cost for all 6 of these items just $15. It's like paying for the Persil and getting the other 5 items for free. Now this is the deal that I had planned on doing when I came in. I was going to get all of the air freshener items, but instead of getting the large Persil, I was going to get the $5.99 Persil, a Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, and a Pine Sol. And then at the register before my coupons, my subtotal would have been $51.32. And then after my coupons, you pay out $27.72. So $27 out of pocket. If you have a gift card to roll in, you would only pay $12 out of pocket. Then you would get back your $15 gift card, making your final cost for these items just $12.72. So a couple different options to work with there, just depending on your preference. Next Circle Week deal I want to do is a spend 25, get back a $5 gift card on beauty and health items. So we're going to be grabbing some personal care. The first thing we're going to grab is 2 of these Axe deodorants for $4.99. So we're going to grab 2 of these for $4.99, and then I have a Shop Me 'Em offer for $7.50 back on 2. So that makes these the perfect item to get this deal started with. The next item we're going to pick up is the Dove body wash. So these are $6.99. We do have $1.40 back on Shopkick, and we have a $2 Shop Mium offer. Then we want to grab the Dove deodorant. These are $5.99. We have a $2 Target Circle offer and $1.40 back on Shopkick. And then the Vaseline lotion. We do have a $2 Circle offer for this. Now here's the personal care deal that I planned on doing. One Dove body wash, we got 2 of the Axe deodorant, 1 Vaseline lotion, and then 1 Dove deodorant. Total for all of these before any coupons are applied is $26.95. So we're well over that $25 mark. And then as far as in-store coupons, we only have 2 in this deal. So you got $2 for the Vaseline lotion and then $2 for the deodorant. So you would pay out $22.95 for this deal, but then you're gonna submit over to ShopMium. You'll get back $2 for the Dove body wash, $7.50 for the Axe deodorant, and you would also get back $2.80 from Shopkick, so $1.40 for each one of the Dove items. So that makes your final cost for all 5 of these items just $5.65 or $1.19 each, which I think is pretty good. Now I decided to switch my deal up a little bit because I found these Old Spice spray deodorants that I thought were a better deal for us because my husband will definitely use these, but I don't need a whole lot of Vaseline lotion right now. So I decided to swap this out. Now, because I swapped out and got this Old Spice spray deodorant, I also needed to swap out some of the other items to make sure that I stayed over that $25 mark. So I decided to get a large bottle of Dove body wash instead of the small one to throw me over $25, which definitely did that. Now, after my coupons for this deal and the $5 gift card, final cost for these items is going to be $6.45. So a little bit more expensive than the other transaction, but again, these are items that we would use more. Now, one of the coupons that I wanted to use today was a Target Circle offer for if I make a $100 purchase, I would get back $15 in Target Circle earnings. So because of that, even though I'm doing the household deal and the personal care deal, I wanted to add some more items into this transaction to build it up. So I decided to grab some Lucky Charms in today's deal. So for the Lucky Charms cereal, these are gonna ring out $3.19 each when you clip this 20% off Target Circle offer. So I'm gonna pick up 2 boxes of the Lucky Charms. That'll total me up to $6.38. Then I am going to submit back for a rebate that we have where it'll reimburse you for the cost of a box of Lucky Charms minus 60 cents. So I'll get back $2.59 there. I also have $1.50 back on Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $1 from ShopMium for this cereal. So that'll make my final cost for 2 boxes of the Lucky Charms just $1.29. When we divide that up, it'll be 64 cents per box. And then of course you also want to check Fetch as well to see what offers you have there. And then to throw me over $100, I decided to pick up 4 bags of the Werthers. At first I was only going to get 2, but I wanted to make sure I was well over that $100 mark to make sure that I got that $15 back. So I went on ahead and bought 4. But if you just pick up 2 of these for $9.98, you can submit over to Swag Bucks for $5 on 2 bags. And you can submit over to Checkout 51 for $2.40 or $1.20 back on each bag. And I also had a ShopMium offer that I think is an older offer, but I did have it clipped for $1 back. So that makes my final cost for 2 bags of these just $1.58 or 79 cents each. So everything worked out pretty good as far as my transaction. Now with Target, y'all know I just stepped back into Target a couple months ago. I did not get my $5 gift card for this transaction. I only got the 15 and I was late. I had to run to go get in that car pickup lane and pick up my son from school. So I didn't have time to like re-look at things and figure it out. Can you only do 1 gift card category offer per transaction? If so, I wasn't willing to split this transaction up because, again, my total needed to be over $100 so that I could get back the 15. So because I wanted to get back that 15, I wasn't going to sacrifice it for the $5. But you might want to split your transactions up if you can't do more than 1 gift card deal per transaction. So with this, I paid out $75.17 after my coupons were applied. and after my Target Circle offers came off. I had $72 in gift cards that I redeemed from different rebate apps. So I redeemed on Shopkick, I redeemed on Flues, I redeemed on Swagbucks, and I rolled in that rebate money into this transaction. So I only had to pay out $3 plus tax. So I paid out that $3 plus tax, and then I did get back a lot of different money. So before I could even leave the store, I did get back that $15 in Target Circle earnings, and I got back my $15 gift card for the household offer. I got back $10 from Swagbucks. I got back $8.50 from Ibotta. I got back $11.50 from ShopMium. I got back $4.80 from Checkout 51, $1.40 from Shopkick, and then we also got back the rebate for the Lucky Charms for $2.59. That makes my final cost for everything that I got today just $6.38 after rebates. A beautiful day at Target. Target was oh so good. I will be going back tomorrow. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.